Now here are two videos. There's one without using a car handle and one with using a car handle. In the beginning I was mentioning where if you can't get your feet underneath you, you really have to exaggerate leaning forward to stand up. So you'll see this in the first picture or the first video. Good, so she had to lean way forward. And then the second video, she doesn't have to lean forward as much. And she's going to use her other leg as an armrest. And you see that was a lot easier for her to get up. I frequently recommend people to use their opposite knee as their armrest to help push themselves up into a standing position. Now here we have both a combination of the swivel cushion and the car handle. This is a higher seat, so it is going to be also easier for her to stand up because it's higher than the other car was. So she uses that handle also to slide forward. Very easy peasy with standing up because the seat height was a lot higher. If you want to learn more about getting in and out of a car easier, take a look at this video, Car Transfers. You can see it on my website, parkinsonspt.com, or on my YouTube channel.